Your 20s are a time of growth, learning, and laying the foundation for your future. But financial missteps during this crucial decade can haunt you for years. Here are 3 of the biggest financial mistakes people make in their 20s, and how to avoid them. 1. Living without a budget. One of the most common mistakes is ignoring the importance of budgeting. It's easy to get caught up in the freedom of earning your own money and spending it however you like, but without a plan, overspending becomes inevitable. 1. Why it's a problem: overspending on things like eating out. 2. Streaming services. 3. Or impulse shopping leaves little room for savings or financial goals. 4. Over time, these habits can lead to debt accumulation. 5. How to avoid it: create a budget that aligns with your income and goals. 6. A simple method is the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs. 7. 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Pro tip: use budgeting apps like Mint, YNAB, or EveryDollar to track your spending effortlessly. 2. Delaying savings and investments. Many people in their 20s think retirement is too far away to worry about. However, the earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compound interest. 1. Why it's a problem: postponing savings means you miss out on years of compound growth. 2. Making it harder to reach your financial goals later in life. 3. Starting just 10 years later can cost you tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars in potential gains. 4. How to avoid it: even small amounts add up over time. 5. Open a retirement account like a 401k or Roth IRA and contribute regularly. 6. Even if it's just $50 a month. Example: investing $100 per month starting at age 25 can grow to nearly $230,000 by age 65, assuming a 7% annual return. Starting at age 35? You'll only have around $115,000. Pro tip: consider low-cost index funds or ETFs for a simple, diversified way to grow your money. 3. Taking on excessive debt from student loans to credit cards and car payments. Debt is a major trap for young adults. While some debt, like student loans, can be a worthwhile investment in your future, excessive borrowing for lifestyle upgrades can lead to financial stress. 1. Why it's a problem: high-interest debt like credit cards can quickly spiral out of control. 2. Leaving you paying more in interest than the original purchase. 3. It also limits your ability to save or invest. 4. How to avoid it: borrow only what you truly need, and prioritize paying off high-interest debt first. 5. Use strategies like the avalanche method, tackling high-interest debt first. 6. Or the snowball method, starting with smaller debts to build momentum. Pro tip: build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses and avoid relying on credit cards. Final words of advice: your 20s are your chance to create a strong financial foundation. By budgeting wisely, saving early, and managing debt carefully, you set yourself up for a lifetime of financial security. Small changes now lead to big rewards later. Start today. Your future self will thank you.